I'm using 2.5 mm crochet hook, yellow yarn and green yarn, and this is Scrunchie. This is all we need to make this hair scrunchie. Let's begin. Make a magic ring. Then make single crochet of 6 number in this magic ring. Five and 6. Join the round by making a slip stitch. Make 1 chain, then make 2 single stitch in the same space. 2. After 2 single crochet in the second round, let's attach the scrunchie like this. Put the scrunchie like this and make 2 single crochet in the next chain. 1, 2. 2 single crochet in the next chain again, because in this row we are increasing by double. We had 6 single crochet in the magic ring, and now we are increasing by 1 single crochet in each chain. Again 2 single crochet in third chain, and put this yarn behind and take this side of the scrunchie like this and make 2 single crochet in this next chain. One, 2 and 2 single crochet in the next chain, and join the row by making a single stitch or slip stitch. Our scrunchie is attached already. Now in this third row we are going to increase by skipping 1 single crochet. In total we have 12 single crochet in this second row, and now we are going to increase by 6 only. In total we will get 18 single crochet here. And let's close the row by making a slip knot. And cut the yarn. Our base and scrunchie is ready. Make a magic ring. Make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Close the round by making a slip stitch like this. In second row we are going to crochet single crochet only in the back loop. We are leaving front loop for the marigold petals. Make 1 chain and increase by 1 in each single crochet only in the back loop. You can see I am increasing only using the back loops. Make a slip stitch to join the round and make one chain. After joining the second row, I am going to increase, skipping one single crochet. Like in total we're gonna have 18 single crochet at the end. 1, increase here, 2 and 3, 4, increase here, 5 and 6, 7 and increase here, 8 and 9, in the last 17 and 18. Join the row by making a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now we are joining this both part. Join the both edge, add the yellow color yarn and make one chain. Now directly in the second chain make a single crochet like this in every chain of the both edge, like this. One more and we are done. Yes, our base is almost ready. Now let's begin the petals. Slip stitch, make 2 chain and make double crochet in the same space. Make 3 chain and slip stitch in between this gap. Make 1 more double crochet in the same space and make 3 chain and slip stitch between this gap of the 2 double crochet. We are going to make 2 double crochet in each chain. In next chain make 1 double crochet, 3 chain and slip stitch. In the same space make 1 double crochet and 3 chain and slip stitch here. One more time, 1 double crochet, 3 chain and slip stitch or single crochet in this space. In same space make double crochet, 3 chain and single crochet like this. This is our petals. After completing this round, I'll see you. I reach here end of the round and now I am closing this round by making 1 slip stitch in the very first double crochet and making 1 chain. Now we are jumping to this section where we made the single crochet only in the back loops. To go there, let's make 2 chain and make 1 slip stitch here and directly jump to this section from the front like this. Yeah, we reach here. Now 2 chain, we are going to petals here, but 3 double crochet in the 1 chain. 1 double crochet, 3 chain, make 1 single crochet, we created 1 petals, 2 more petals in the same space. This is second and this is the third in same space. Like this we are completing this all of the round. One more time in the next this loop, making double crochet, making 3 chain and making single crochet and creating 1 petals. 2 more time in the same space. Three chain and the single stitch. Like this we are going to complete all the rounds. So I am here at the end of the round. This is our first, this is our second, and 1 more round we have left to make the petals. I am joining here by making a slip stitch and making 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain, and going to this very first round that we have made single crochet only in the back loops. We are making 4 petals in the same chain or same space. One slip stitch, make 2 chain and double crochet in the same space, make 3 chain and make 1 single crochet. 1 petal is ready. We are going to make 4 petals in the same space. And this is our 4 petals in the same space. Like this we will complete this round as well, and our scrunchie will be ready after that. This is our final look. You can see this is very secure and beautiful, yet easy to make. And you can see the difference between these 2 flower scrunchie, because this is a little bit bigger and thick, this is a little bit smaller and thin. Why? This is because we have made 4 round in this scrunchie and only 3 round in this scrunchie. If you want to make this kind of thick and bigger, you have to increase the round, and to increase the round you have to increase the base. Base means this round. So now I hope you understand the process. Now you can make yourself this beautiful hair scrunchie. Please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for the next video. Thank you for watching.